Dear learners, now in this video we are going to see how to use Google Classroom on the desktop version. So very first just search Google Classroom on the web. You will get classroom.google.com. Just open it and the very first step it will ask you to sign in into your Google or Gmail account. I will sign in into my Gmail account. Once I sign in into my Gmail account, it will get redirected to the Google Classroom. You can see it has been redirected to the classroom.google.com. So this is the home page for the Google Classroom. So these are the two classrooms that I am using for my purpose. Now let's see how to use the Google Classroom. At this top corner, you will find a plus option that if you click, it will show the two sub options, that is join class and create class. Join class will be used for joining the class which already been created, and create class will be used for creating your own class. So we will click on create class as we are going to create our new class. Once you click on the create class, it will ask for some authentication. You have to just tick this checkbox and press on continue. Once you press on continue, it will ask for the class name that you want to give. For example, I will create the class name to be SY BTech is my class name. Section, you can add the section as to be division A, and the subject should be the subject for which you are creating the Google Classroom. So I am creating the Google Classroom for the C++ programming language. So this is my subject for which I am going to create the Google Classroom. The room option is an optional, so you can leave it. After filling all this information, just click on create button. Once you click on create button, it will create the classroom automatically. Now you can see here my classroom has been created, whose name is SYBTech with division A. So my classroom is now ready. Now the major part of this classroom is to how to add the users or the students to my classroom. So you can see here the class code that is provided or created automatically. So this class code you have to just share with your students to whom you want to add into the classroom. So there are totally two ways in which you can add the students in the classroom. This is the first way, and further I will show you the second way how to add the students. Now here you can see the four options that are stream, classwork, people and grades. So we will see one by one of them. Stream is nothing but whatever you update into the classroom, that will be get reflected as to be onto the screen. Classwork, here you can add the contents to your classroom. For example, here it is the create button. So if you click on this create button, it will show some options like assignment, quiz assignment, questions, material, reuse post, topic. So you can add all these contents onto your classroom. So don't worry, we are going to see this one by one. The next option is people. Now here you can see the two options, that is teachers, and the second one is students. So this is the second way. Now I'm going to show you how to add the students to your classroom. So in front of the students, just click on this invite student button, and it will ask you to type the email of the student to whom you want to invite to join your classroom. For example, if I type some student that I want to invite into my classroom, okay, now I want to add another student. So in this way, you can add as many students you want to invite to your classroom and then press on invite button. Once you press on the invite button, an automatic invitation mail will be sent to the students. You can see here the invited mail has been sent to the selected students. So in this way, you can invite the students to your classroom. This is the second way. Now, the first option, that is teachers. So what is the use of this teacher? As we know that there can be multiple teachers or 2 or 3 teachers who are teaching the same subject. Now, if you want to add some another teacher who is teaching the same course, you can add that teacher into your classroom as a teacher. So how to add that? Again, the same procedure. Just click on this invitation button, type the mail ID of the teacher that you want to invite to join this classroom and just send the invitation to the teacher. Now it will show that the teacher has been invited to join your classroom. So in this way, you can add n numbers of teachers to your particular classroom and students to your classroom. The last part is the grades. So grades will be used for grading purpose, which will be explained further. Now we are going to see how to add the contents to our classroom. So come back to the classwork. Here, first of all, we have to create the units or the topics of our subject. So how to create the topic? It's very simple. Just click on create button, go to the topic option, click on topic option. It will pop up a window to add the name of the topic. For example, I will add the name of the topic to be topic 1 and press on add button. So automatically it will create the topic 1 to my subject. Similarly, I can add more topics to my classroom. So I am adding the topic 2. You can add the third topic, to my classroom, and similarly you can add as many topics you want to be created for your particular subject. Okay, now how to add the contents to the topic, how to add the quiz, how to add the assignments, this will all we will see in our upcoming videos. Thank you.